ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla na ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla na ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ gị ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkwa uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ karị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị nwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị dịfe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụ ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala nwekwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anyị onwe anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkwa ha nsọ gị, na-asị na emeghị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara ebighị ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, known as the Grace Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. This very message, I will continue to preach it irrespective or regardless of what you think. We need Biafra. And believe you me, Biafra is the only thing that we need. We don't need to go back to one Nigerian setting. We don't need any story. And for you to face Biafra, go and look at any country in Africa. You must face your enemies. Not jump. You must face your enemies squarely, because freedom is not given. And how do you face your enemies? The power is in the barrel of granite and broka. The power is in the barrel of granite and broka. That is where you face your enemy. This new language, we go to America. No world power will give you freedom. What will you do? That Ojukwu never did. Ojukwu struggled all he can. Hired lobbyists. There is massive protest in America, in Europe. What can you do? The only thing that could have given us that Biafra was the barrel of Mprok and Mpra granite. But due to the food blockade, that was what stopped it. And if you notice, one thing that our leaders in this very freedom, the two leaders that we have, you know them, S and N. One thing that they did very well is the Ambazonian Alliance. They entered into Ambazonian Alliance. It started with N. N first entered into Ambazonian Alliance, sustained by S. S entered into the same Ambazonian Alliance. There was massive cooperation. And they said, due to the food blockade, in what we do so that we don't get blocked again, we must enter into alliance. The more we fight on our side, we must help to those people. And then, that is the way to go. Now think, oh, one lobbyist, if you are not doing anything in the land of Biafra, one lobbyist, Yamagana, Washington, D.C., it will be a declare Biafra. As your tracker, go and write this thing that I'm telling you down. You must start something. I don't know how our brain is. Our people are not trained to bear things for a very long time. Every time you hear, oh, I don't want to look at this, complain up and down. Massive complaint in your lips every day. You cannot sustain what you started. Oh, you make a tank. He said, no, it's not working. Let me do. Who told you it's not working? When Nigeria is already crying. And it's not working, let me try another. It means that you are confused. And confused people don't fight for Biafra. You must define your roadmap. Consistency is the key. Once you define your roadmap, you must be consistent. Do you think that if the roadmap of Mazen Namdekan and Mazen Simon Ekpe is not working, that the Nigerian government will go to the level that they went, including entering into agreement with Finland, construction, many with Finland? Who is Finland? A small European country. They are not even European. They just joined the European Union. They are Scandinavian. Scandinavian country. They entered into agreement with Scandinavian country. Do you know why they entered into such an agreement? Because they have lost. Just what happened to them during the Biafra genocide that they committed. When they couldn't stand against Biafra machineries, who is locally Igbo people, local men, against the international people. They hired from America, they hired from Arab countries, they hired from Arab countries like Egypt, United Arab Emirates, and all these pan-Arabism countries. They hired them. They hired from many. Britain supplied them weapons, France and other countries. They supplied them weapons. But they couldn't stand the Biafra men. They went into food blockade, which is genocide and war crime. Today, are they being charged? They can't be charged. Do you know why? Because they have massive power. If Nigeria cannot be charged up to this very moment, what makes you think that lobbyists can do it? The only thing that will make lobbyists their work to be easy is when you have people who are stationed in the land of Biafra doing something. Una paralyze Guya. There's another who will lead and who will not lead. Who will lead and who will not lead? Among leader. Onye nkasi, among leader. Onye nkasi, among leader. Onye nka bidoza DPPM. Confuse people. Or another person's APM. That is acting prime minister. Onye nka bụ DPM. Then in case na you have APPPM. Mgbe ọ gwara unu na APM ọ kwa false. The man is a criminal. Mgbe ahụ ọ gwara unu na onye nwa bụ APM, it is a false, a criminal call. He have removed the name of Mazen Simon Ekpe. But that is not where I'm going to. 3 days before the kidnap of Mazen Simon Ekpe, it means that he himself knew that I aged them as Simon Ekpe. Also known as APM. Who made him APM? He started answering APM before these corrupt people that you call CRC. They are very, very corrupt. Very, very corrupt. In the sense that they knew. Imam Madhabu knew. All of them in that CRC, deceiving themselves. They knew that Oge Nkere is not qualified. But all of them gathered and imposed him. Despite our complaints, the forging certificate and everything, they praise him. They make him to Biafra people. Oh, he is the best. Today they are crying. They are very, very confused. They want me to oh, they are now righteous. Righteous bukunu. You people are now righteous. You impose the criminal. Today, everything have stopped. Everything have stopped. Before now, before they declare Fanta Webe that they declared, in case again I have a prime wajo here. In case again I have a prime Webe. Before they declared the prime Webe, Oge Nkere. Before they declared him, they put a video of BLA in Igodomi. BLA in Igodomi. And they said, the men are still working. Which the men are still working? Where? Have you defended the territorial integrity? Do you know the reason? I don't forget. The reason why that they have those men in Igodomi is because of protecting the territorial integrity. Now, around that place that those men have camp, there is Nigerian border there with Biafra. You know, if you buy market from Lagos and you are bringing it down, that is tough area. The custom over there, they know the joke. They can seize your market at any given time. In a country that they said is one, you travel all the way from Lagos, entering into the east, custom all of a sudden becomes hard. But you take it to Benin, no custom will disturb you. You take it to this, no custom will disturb you. But when it is entering into Biafra land, they put up a border checking point there. Do you know why? I'm telling all of you, if you do not stand up, Nigeria is already strangulating us. They are already strangulating us. All these lies of, oh, we are fighting terrorism is a lie. Nigeria is the terrorists themselves. They imposed every terrorism. Should I present to you? I want to, before I start this, before I continue this very program, please watch this particular video and I will be right back, please.
Some Nigerian figures who have made statements seen as supportive towards terrorism. Ahmad Lawan, the former Senate president, stated that poverty in the country has forced people into banditry. He said the government should negotiate with them. Senator Alindum, who was once charged for links with Boko Haram, he once said, "We cannot kill all Boko Haram members. Many should be rehabilitated." Sheikh Gumi, an Islamic cleric who volunteers to negotiate with bandits, he claims that bandits are peaceful people and victims of negligence. He said the government should negotiate instead of fighting them. Bello Matawal, Minister of State for Defense, who has no military experience, he once said, "Not all bandits are criminals and they should be listened to." Isa Pantami, former Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, he once said, "Boko Haram are our Muslim brothers, and they shouldn't be killed." Former President Muhammadu Buhari, back in 2001, at a seminar in Kaduna, Buhari said that he will continue to support the Sharia movement. Then the following year in 2002, Boko Haram appeared in Nigeria for the very first time, requesting for Sharia law all over the country.
So, who is supporting terrorism and who is architect of terrorism? You have listened to all these people. These names that they called is in the same government of Tinubu. Only one that thunder fired Muhammadu Buhari. The rest are in the same caucus with Tinubu, and some of them are in ADC, waiting to lead you again, waiting to rule you again. Why you are busy fooling yourself? Why you are busy telling yourself lies? These very people are already warming up to buy all of you. I'm just letting you people to know. The only thing that will save you is to do something. The Northerners have gathered due to the need Sharia law. They gathered and brought terrorism in Nigeria. They spend money to cover it up. And when you cry, they pay one Igbo man and say, "Oh, we just captured a kidnapper." Oh, it's not a Fulani who is kidnapping, it is Igbo affair. One of them that they paid in Abuja went to communicate with his family. Oh, they paid me, is it 90 million? Just to act as a kidnapper who is captured and to be presented to media. The family told him, don't do it. Don't do it. The guy went at the back and accepted the offer. He was taken to media with police, and the guy, they said, they captured a notorious Igbo kidnapper. They captured a notorious Igbo kidnapper along Abuja. That he was very notorious. He was the one doing all the kidnapping. Not up to the family said, no. He told us that somebody paid him that he will be presented as a kidnapper. And we advised him not to do it. So he later did it. The thing died natural death on social media. All of us are in Nigeria when this thing happened. So why do Nigerian government paid money, big money, to an Igbo man to act and say, oh, he's the notorious kidnapper that have been kidnapping? It only boils down to one thing. And that is the reason why I am wondering this Evans issue. I am wondering this Evans issue. It could be a false, considering what happened. Are you still hearing Evans say what Evans say? An Igbo man committing such an evil, he will be died overnight. But you are no longer hearing. They are giving him presidential treatment. Please, when I preach here, you need to listen. Ali Igbo is the only thing. Fear is all over the place. And what these very individuals have done, Ngọzi Oragbueze and Oge Nkere, is to fight for power. I want to present to you what they publish, the United States of Ndi publish. Please watch. So according to the United States of Ndi and the battery Hanoko, they published this very memo, public statement on impostor and unauthorized claims of leadership in Biafra. Official public statement. The attention of the government of the United States of America have been drawn to a recent gathering by a small and unrepresentative group purporting to appoint Oge Nkere as the Prime Minister. As a small and unrepresentative group, both of you are unrepresentative. Both of you are not representing the interest of Biafra people. If you want to represent the interest of Biafra people, remove yourself from the shell of Nigerian government Biafra agitator. There is something that we have started, which is pressure in the land of Biafra in order to gain our territories and lead ourselves and force the international community to recognize us. When we involve the works, the connections of lobbyists, one thing, many of you don't know why we involved the lobbyists from IPOB. It was because there is Eastern Security Network making sure that our mothers and our fathers goes back to their farm, and the other ones which will not be said on this very platform, making sure that our mothers and our fathers goes to farm, and making sure that Fulani do not buy any of us, and the other one which will not be said on this very platform. That is the reason why we have Eastern Security Network. And they did very marvelously well. But the reason we engage lobbyists is to make them to lobby so that they will not criminalize us. Oh, they are rebels, so they will know that these very people, what they are fighting for, already the awareness will be created by Nigeria. They will go there and tell them, oh, look at what is happening. Oh, we can't stop it. Oh. Give us jet fighter, give us bomb, give us this. So the work of the lobbyists will be there to tell them, this is what they want. They want separate states. Fulani is buying them. Nigerian government is sponsoring ethnic cleansing against them. There is no seaport. There is no international, there is no hospital. There is nothing. Not even electricity. There is no seaport and international airport in their land. Despite the fact that that is where mineral resources are coming out to govern the Nigeria. Despite all of that, nothing is coming out. I want all of you to know. There is something that I will say today. It have come to my mind. And I have to say this. Many of you will not believe this, but that is true. Did you know that oil is never discovered in Lake Chad? Lake Chad Basin, that they are lying to you, that oil is being discovered over there. Oil is not being discovered. But oil in Niger Delta is piped all the way to Lake Chad, and they build it as a reservoir. Are you aware of this? Are you aware of this? I know that they will be shocked. They will say, this young guy, you are revealing a lot. Nigeria as a country lied to the people, 200 and something million mugus that they are leading. That there is oil in Lake Chad. Maybe tomorrow they can discover oil. But that is false. There is no oil discovered in Lake Chad. Oil was piped all the way from Imo State, Niger Delta, and all of this, all the way to Lake Chad, and they built reservoir over there. The person that started this misinformation is late Muhammadu Buhari. They stored oil in Lake Chad in order to give the Boko Haram and ISWAP. Many of you are saying, oh, they are kidnapping for ransom. But that is not it. They have everything that they needed, not for ransom. They are kidnapping to terrorize you, to put fear in you, and to make you to flee. Those of you who survive and pay ransom can't be able to say what your eyes see. It is fear and terror. What they want to achieve is to impose Sharia law, impose Islamic jihad on you. So that by the time they carry war to your land, fear will no longer let you to stand them. It is what should I say? Brain game. Nigeria should prove me wrong, please. In all of the news in Nigeria, they will tell you, oh, oil was discovered in Lake Chad, and this and that. There is no oil discovered in Lake Chad. All the oil going to Lake Chad, there is a reservoir in Lake Chad. They build reservoir in Lake Chad. Pipe the Niger Delta oil. The person that started this was late Muhammadu Buhari, completed by his actors. They pipe all the oil to Lake Chad. And for one reason, that it will give the Islamic jihad cover. And they will have very big money. Should the oil in Niger Delta be cut off, they use the one in order to carry out their Islamic war. Many of you don't know this, but I'm letting you to know today. Why all of this is going on. Why this evil is going on. What they are fighting for is, I am the leader. I am the leader. You don't need to fight for leadership. Fighting for leadership is as a result of failure. There are people that was called the soldier of justice, which have vanished into thin air. All over social media, you saw them then. They created fake accounts managed by the ghost Okontonu Uruagu. If you listen to me when Okontonu Uruagu was in IPOB, I have consistently said it that the guy is a snip. The guy onye onye etiri iji wee na-agba ama ihe na-eme within us. Soldiers of justice that attacked the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the account, part of the account of Pontunu Ruago have it. All of them have it. They were among soldiers of justice. Are you getting me? Then you have soldiers of justice. You have Imam Ezudem. You have Tony Nnadidem. All of them were fighting against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Did it stop Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from leading the movement? All of you heard. All of you know the state that we were before they kidnapped him. We have the DOS and all their 500,000, according to them, media warriors. Mazi Simon Ekpa Dokporo Hanine. Did it stop Mazi Simon Ekpa from leading the movement? The answer is no. It never stopped Mazi Simon Ekpa from leading the movement. Mazi Simon Ekpa Dokporo Hanine. So what is stopping this Umuokoko, these very people imposed by Nigerian government? I want you to know. Now, let me tell you one thing. During my spiritual exercise, after the kidnapping of Mazi Simon Ekpa, I found none of these very people to lead us in Biafra. Though my revelation, I wanted to know if they were Sabu, and the thing never, I was never revealed to. But what was revealed to me immediately is that these very people, maybe it is because the prophecy is clear. Maybe it is because that they will not lead us into Biafra. They are not leading us to anywhere. According to the revelation, that these very people can't lead us to anywhere. In fact, they showed me this one, that she is more powerful than Oge Nkere. Powerful in the sense I'm now discovering, because I asked if it is powerful that she will lead us to Biafra. They said no. Now I'm getting the powerful. Is it powerful that to confuse our own people? To lie to our own people? This very woman, she lies without even blinking an eye. She lies without thinking twice. She just tell you lies anyhow. And then watch you with one eyes to believe. I am Washibrobi. You know, they are telling me, oh, show your face, you this coward, show your face. I have showed my face for a very long time, but can those who are preaching to you show their face? Can those who are saying show your face show their own face? Show your own face also. I have been on media for a very long time. The only thing I preach here is nothing but the undiluted. If you like, believe. If you don't like, don't believe. Don't use this voice to know me. Some of them said, oh, Nwashiburobi is dead. Nwashiburobi is dead. You, this impostor, show your face. And at the end of the day, I noticed that those people who are saying that are supporters of these criminals. We all are one, but criminals are leading you. Ask yourself, why are you not moving forward every day? And a story. If you do not go to your phone or Twitter to watch what they are saying, you will not know what they are doing to get you the freedom. You will need their lies always. You will have on your phone to go and listen to their lies. But when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was here, you don't need to go. You will hear it from the land of Biafra, what is happening and how they are fighting for freedom for you. As a result, as simple as ABCD. You will hear it from the land of Biafra, how they are fighting for freedom for you. But now, you need much lies in order to know that somebody is fighting for you. Very, very terrible. I am Nwashibrobi. Please, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akụ mmiri, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That is the only thing that I have come to preach here. And you need to hit the like button and share. Share this very program.